Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start painting Peony, one of the most popular Chinese watercolor subjects. Let's get started. I'm using this mixed hair brush that I introduced in my last video. In fact, I bought this brush for painting Peony because it carries more water than the wolf hair. See, this mixed hair is white hair on the outside but brown inside. For the flower, I'm going to use this red color. This is the China red that I always use. This is the crimson red that is a little deeper than this one. And this is something that I call Rouge, which is even deeper than the crimson red, but it has a slightly different shades. It has a bit of blue tone in it. To get the gradient of red shade, we'll start from the lightest color. You may start with the white base, but in this painting, I'm using only water to wet my brush, and then take the China red, which is the lightest shades in this palette, and then the crimson red. Let me show you what it looks like. When I'm taking some darker color, the Rouge color, then you can get these shades. I hope you can see the difference. We're going to start with the petals in the middle. In Chinese painting, we are all painting the Luo Yang peony, which is a type of semi-double peony with multiple rows of petals and yellow stamens when it's in full bloom. The reason why I specify this is because there are many species of peonies. They look a little different. There are single, semi-double, full doubled, and boom. You may look it up online. If you Google Luo Yang peony, you'll see what I'm talking about. They are the typical peony flowers in traditional Chinese painting. Even though all the peonies look very similar, they are painted differently. Some artists start with the white color, which is the edge of the petals, and some others just pre-mix different shades of pink, and some, just like me, use different shades of red. So you just have to try and see which method works for you and which shades work for you. As I build up the flower, I'm leaving a bit of white space between each petal. For the leaves, take some yellow. You might want to take more if you want to paint a broader stroke. And then the blue, this is indigo blue. If you want to get this plant's leaf color, then indigo blue is more ideal. Doesn't really matter if you see this residual, because this color is a bit old. Okay, this is the green, and then take a little bit of red. Let me show you what it looks like. When it comes to the stem, the Luo Yang peonies are shrubs, not herbaceous, so the lower stems are woody. Only the top part is green. And that's how we paint this Chinese peony in traditional Chinese watercolor. But I want this painting to be more modern and Western, so I'm not painting the bottom part of the stems. I'm gonna use yellow for the stamen. If you want to make it more prominent, you can leave more space in the middle of the flowers, paint more details, and use poster color for the stem. As I said before, there are many species, different colors, and different ways of mixing color and paint. I'll be exploring other color composition and technique as well. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.